Hello and welcome back to the final episode of my Malaysia trip on Hungry JJ. Today we will be going to Museum Samudera and Museum Stad Tuis and Museum Sejarah dan Ethnography, where we will take a look at some historical artifacts as well as interesting things from the past. After I visited the museums, I then ate lunch which consisted of asam pedas, a spicy and sour fish stew. After this, I packed up my belongings and ate my last meal at Malaysia, egg noodles with barbecue chicken and wontons. After this, I boarded my flight leaving Malaysia. So to recap, there is more to discover in Malaysia beyond Kuala Lumpur, and my vlog series is proof of that. I enjoyed the museums at Melaka, the flowers and tea at Cameron Highlands, the majestic caves at Batu Caves in Selangor, and everything in between. Even inside Kuala Lumpur, there's much to enjoy, like shopping in the Pavilion Mall, roaming around night markets, or experiencing history at Merdeka Square. What I really like about Malaysia is how accessible every place is, thanks to their wide range and scope of public transport as well as their amazing food, which I absolutely enjoyed and savored. I especially enjoy their street food, which you can find concentrated near night markets. I also have to give special mention to the chicken rice balls and white coffee, all of which I love. Although Malaysia is a tropical country, if you want to experience something a bit more chilly, the Cameron Highlands is an excellent destination. If I would go there again, I definitely would. All in all, Malaysia is an amazing country full of sights, smells, and tastes to discover. And if you're an aspiring traveler who would like to see Malaysia for themselves, then you're in luck, as this next section will deal with how to experience Malaysia to its fullest, as well as tips for tourists. So I arrived in Malaysia by plane. I arrived at the Kuala Lumpur International Airport, or CLIA. If you're traveling by low-cost airline, you might find yourself in CLIA too. There are also capsule hotels and a shopping center in CLIA too. After I left the airport by train, I stayed at the Hilton Garden Inn Hotel. I recommend this hotel for two reasons. It's low cost and a nearby train station which connects the nearby hotel to the wider parts of Malaysia and Kuala Lumpur. They also include amenities like a swimming pool, rooftop bar, and buffet. If you want to travel within Kuala Lumpur or within Malaysia, I highly suggest taking the train. It's fast, efficient, cheap, and is connected to a lot of landmarks. You can also take to the streets on bus or foot, which are also good choices, especially if your destination is not covered by rail. I also made it a good habit to check out the local areas' night markets, where you can really sample the local food, culture, and more. It's cheaper than a restaurant and you get to bask in the sights, smells, sounds, and tastes. As some would say, it's best to live like a local. Don't be afraid to check out the local buildings around your area. Be adventurous. Try something outside of your comfort zone. Try some new food you've never even tried before. Checking out museums all day is boring. Why not try shopping in the mall or checking out the caves? Malaysia has a lot to offer, and by trying everything, you get the best bang for your buck. Don't be afraid to travel solo. It not only lets you cut down on costs, but it lets you experience what you want to experience. Obviously, you need to pack your essentials just in case. Make sure to get a SIM card for your phone, so you can stay connected with family and friends, and also to call emergency services. And that is all my tips and tricks for Malaysia. Obviously, this is not a comprehensive guide, and I highly suggest you do your own research. But all in all, if you want to experience Malaysia in the best way possible, just follow my tips, tricks, and you'll have a good time. Thank you for watching Hungry JJ. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content.